Ito. Wow, very good, Gia. You have a lot.
You have a lot of eggs.
Ang dami ah.
I can open.
Nakakagawa sana magbato yung si Bago.
Kaya,
Takot siya eh. Ha?
natakot pa rin.
Sana magbago na siya. Oh. Wow.
Wow! That's a present.
Ano pala? Si ano?
There's something inside your eggs, Kuya. Let's check it out later, okay? Come on, Livy. You need help with your basket?
Laki daw ng basket. Wala na yan anak. It's empty.
Jam, egg pa!
There's only one pink. I can open the pink. I can open.
Mami will help
Open
you.
the pink.
Okay na yan. Ang daming chocolate.
Dami
Outlet na
ng
naman ako
chocolate.
niya papakain sa kanya.
Tago niya, tago.
Kahit yung wala ng laman, hanggang may laman.
Ito maganda.
Ay, isa pa, para kay ano.
You're almost blind there. What I get? What I get?
Put that candy. Make it. Sapang ito. Wow. Like it?
Oh, do not eat all. Don't eat all. Oh no!
Look how many I got.
Oh, Kuya, so
Okay, we're
No, 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 no. It's okay.
Okay, you but now come here. I did the room.
plastic ka. Thank you. Ate. Ah,
Here, anak. Open this. Daddy, bakit ito? Wow.
This is the only one. Only mommy.
Later pang.
later na eat.
Open everything.
Open first, all
Only
egg.
one daw.
Stay slowly. Zoe, oh, what eggs, oh.
Dia, no. I'm not gonna dump it. I have more one.
Here, open na. Open your eggs na.
Open first.
Go. Go, separate.
I don't. Some of them have money. Some of them have money. I think I saw a green one that has.
Kaya wala ka pang money ah. Maybe this one, Gia, open.
I really trust it.
Dad, baka kita na may singit ng anak mo.
Hindi.
This one, open.
This one. This one.
It's okay.
That one that has money.
Oh no.
No money. Kaya na.
I found money.
Oh, you found money. Wow.
Wow. So you put that in your alkansya.
Hey, $5.
Wow.
I opened it.
Nice.
Look what's inside my money.
Good job. Yeah.
Ah, that's her favorite. Oh my god.
It's live. Don't say something.
Oh.
Joke. Mascara.
Oh,
She got a money. $5.
nice.
Oh,
Thanks, kuya.
Egg. So you need to find this one. I got money.
Wow, how much?
$1.
Gia got $5.
I got $1.
Wow, nakapera na sila.
What?
Uy, nakadalawang candy ka no.
Uy! Eat all.
May nakuwang pera si ano yan.
Oh, not yet.
We have to empty because you need to return this.
Return that one, the egg.
Yeah, we have to use that.
I got another money.
Dapat lahat ng mga eggs dyan.
Ako, naka-5
sa kanila.
si Julia, oh. Gift ko Nino. Ito dito.
Oh,
Wala ka ng egg.
Gift ni Mami pala.
Mami.
No more
Ito
money,
dito.
Gia.
This one you go to Dollar Tree.
Sasabihin na naman niya, Mami, can I buy this? I have money.
Alam mo yun.
Put na, open the eggs, dali.
Naka $1 lang siya.
Open the eggs, dali.
I also got $1.
Put na yung egg, dali. Open.
Open your eggs, dali na. And put it back.
$3. What is
That's empty na, anak.
what's this?
That's empty.
Mas bahala. Si Chadri ko. Si Chadri ko.
Tapos kumain.
It's here.
What's that?
Sa guns.
Paano yung mukha mo, Chadri?
It's melting.
Siyempre, uy, don't, kuya, no, don't put,
Halo-halo pa to.
just a gun, kuya.
No more.
Oh. Egg. Yeah, no.
It's okay.
Okay, just no more inside na.
Okay
Oh,
na.
perfect.
You have it.
This is all Gia's candy.
You want to zero? Or you ask ate? Maybe ate.
Uy, ito pa pala. Gusto niya ba Tootsie-Roll? Ito. Ate, ah.
Thanks. Oh, ate. Zero daw. Isa lang. One lang. Ubusin mo. Oh,
Ate, ah.
tita have one. Oh.
That's your favorite.
Isa na to.
Mommy.
Yes. Where are we going? Wala na. Tapos ang egg hunt. Are you happy? Yeah. Did you enjoy? Oh.
You enjoy?
Candies. Bagal si Gia this time kasi tinitin. Akala niya green lang yung kukuhanin nung una.
Ah.
Sabi ko, anak, hindi, no, it's everything. Kasi di ba kahapon yung ano lang.
Kapag para.
Oh, no. Di ano,
Toto.
don't remove that one.